All right, how's it going, you two? So we back out after running the T-Maxx. What I did was I put hot racing clutches on there and my ball kept coming out right here. So I adjusted all the camber and I also adjusted everything else that needed to be adjusted, and hopefully it's all right. I'm gonna go over the trim real quick. I didn't bring a 1.5, so I wasn't able to adjust the brake, so I was messing with the trim to get the car right. So I'm not sure if I was getting full throttle. Brung the off the 9.5 and the Revo. I also bring the low C8. We'll see if we get to these, but I'll probably just run a tank through this. Probably call it a day. If not, I'll either run the Revo or the off, one of them. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just mess with this. Yesterday, I didn't even bring my heat gun out, so I wasn't even able to heat it up good. I had to keep pulling it to get it hot. Also, there was a coyote running around here yesterday, so I got my head on a swivel today in case I see him. You know, I came out with broad daylight coyote. It was just in case you know, but anyway, we're gonna mess with the Traxxas. I'm gonna set up the ramps and we'll get it going. So stay tuned. This is with the hot racing clutch. So what I am gonna change next is the front bearing on the motor, front bearing and rear bearing. When putting the hot racing clutch on, I seen that it had it was leaking a little bit, so definitely want to fix that. So I do notice, I'll try it on the street right now, we'll see what happens, but I do notice with the OS 18, it was popping really willies right off the rip. Hey YouTube, so we got a little work to do. I want to change the bearings, as I see it's got a little drip coming from here. My gasket in the rear is leaking. It was busted, so I just got it up there to run it. It's gonna be pretty hard to find a gasket for this setup, but I'm gonna search and see if I can find. Other than that, everything is running pretty good, but I started to notice that I'm messing with the tune more and more, and that's because air is leaking from somewhere. So 9 times out of 10 it's the bearings, and because everything else is sealed, and I see a little wetness down here, I see a bunch of wetness back here. So that was a good run for now. I'll probably run the Revo, see how that gets on, but so far so good. I'm happy with this motor. I wish I could get this motor to fit in the Revo, so I had to cut the shaft, the crankshaft on it. I couldn't use the remote start, easy start should I say, on here because it was buttoned up with the carb, and this is a 3.3, so the low C carb has the piece that goes inside, the needle that goes inside, so it's able to turn more. I couldn't turn this, so I had to put a pull start on this, but it's not starting up too bad. But anyway, probably run the Revo, call it a day, and then go from there. So stay tuned.